what I'm making today are these. These are soul cakes, but they're not the kind of soul cakes that you can eat. These are made from salt dough. So these are more decorations. Salt dough is really easy. You just take 2 parts plain flour. Has to be plain flour. And then 1 part salt. Just any old salt will do. And you mix them together. Then you need up to 1 part water. You might not need all the water, so I'm going to be adding this very gradually as I stir, because I might not need all of it. It depends on the weather and your flour and the day. And then once they've started to mix a little bit, that's where you get messy and you use your hands. And start bringing it together. You want it to be a really tough, quite dry, solid dough. So that's why I'm only adding the water gradually. And you can see it's starting to come together now. And you're going to just knead it with your hands. Trying to collect up all the flour until you have a nice solid dough. And there you go, that is your salt dough, all ready to be made into soul cakes. And the soul cakes themselves, you can do it different ways. Break off a little bit, roll it into a ball, and then you can just squish it in your hands and make it into a little disc, like that. And then you need the really important part, which is the decoration, which is a cross through the middle. So you can do this in different ways. You can use a spoon, which is what I'm doing, and there you go. 1 salt dough soul cake.